After completing this lesson, you will be able to review the options for controlling the quality of 3D printed components, preview the process for producing a part in a specific printer, and how to output STL data for printing. For this lesson, I opened the F1 car complete assembly F3D file using the new design from File tool and saved it to my active project. To generate a 3D print of the component, you can either use the File pull-down to select 3D print, or go to the Make pull-down on the Model toolbar and select 3D print. The next thing you'll need to do is select the component that you want to print, and it will immediately generate a preview of the model as long as the preview option is selected. From there, you can choose the refinement level for the model, and it will update the number of triangles that would be created. Under Custom, additional refinement options can be set for surface deviation, normal deviation, maximum edge length, and aspect ratio. In the output section at the bottom, you can choose whether or not to send it directly to a print utility such as Autodesk Print Studio, another standard print utility, or a custom one that might be associated directly with your specific printer. If you want to just generate an STL file, you can deselect Send to 3D Print Utility. For now, I'll leave it Print Studio and click OK. This will open up a view of my current printer. Presently, it's selected to Replicator 2. Clicking on this icon, I can choose another one from the library. To make sure my model is properly oriented in the envelope and on the printing surface, I'll center it. It gives me a preview of my model, and I don't care for this orientation. It will create a number of supports, so I can simply use an arrow and rotate it to reposition it. Next, I can choose Repair to make sure that the model is okay. It sees no problems, though I could go in and crop the model or slice it based on a plane. The next category is Supports. With supports, you have the opportunity to just simply add supports. You can also delete them. After clicking Add Supports, I can see the solution that's generated. Then I'll select Preview. Based on the printer model that I have, it will give me an estimated volume of the material and an estimated time to generate the 3D print. I can even use the drag bar to see what the process of printing would look like as it generates the supports and the model itself. Once everything looks okay, I can select Export, and it will allow me to save the file.